Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. For me, that will be the home screen, which is already open and visible on my screen. Next, all you need to do is just hold your power button and volume down at the same time. So right here. You get a flash sound along with a pop-up with share and edit options, and this will disappear on its own after a moment. There we go. When it disappears, you can find your captured screenshot by going into your Photos tab. Let's disregard this. And from here, you want to navigate to Collections, scroll down, and you will find Screenshots album, in which obviously you will find screenshots. And here's the one that I have captured a moment ago. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.